Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox the Brother P-Touch PT-H110 electronic labeling system. Haha! I did get this in the mail from Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you can get one if you're interested. It did come almost as though it was used, but supposedly it's not because we have, like, the box is a little bit damaged. Hopefully everything's okay in it, but let's unbox it. Undo this, do that. Okay, take that off. There's a lot of stuff in here. Alrighty, so here is the P-Touch itself. Some more plastic. We have all kinds of literature. We got the labeling system, P-Touch labeling system, user guide in English. We have it in Espanol. And we have a product safety guide in English. And then, dun, 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 look at this, supplies and accessory guide. Isn't that nice they gave us that? So we can spend more money. All right, and then, oh, don't forget to register. Okay. And, ooh, there's the product registration right there. You can mail it in. You don't have to do it online. That's cool. And look what else is in the box. We have a sample tape, which is good. There's a little pull here. There you go. Now it does look like it takes 6 AAA batteries. So 6 AAA alkaline batteries to get this to work. Now you can also get a plug-in adapter, which is of course extra. And you can actually run it off of AC if you want. So if you're going to use it a lot, it might be worth it. Now, putting it in there is actually very, very simple. It's harder to get in the bag than it is to actually set it up. So all you do is there's actually a little diagram right in here that tells you how to line everything up. And it says you line it up this way. Right in there. Pops right in. There you go. And we're going to test this thing out. Now, if you do happen to want to plug this in instead of using batteries, you do have to go and get an adapter. But essentially, it's a generic AC/DC adapter for this particular unit. Now, this one does have supposedly an 8-foot cable, which would be plenty long. Go ahead and plug this in here. Plug the other end into a receptacle. Turn it on. Hey, it works. Now it is kind of hard to see. This is where you go ahead and punch in the numbers or the letters or whatever you want. So what I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and put photo backup. Hit print. It asks for how many copies you want. I just want one, so I'm going to keep it there. Okay. And there it goes. Photo backup. And all you got to do is, this here is a scissors. Cut. And there you go. Photo backup. It's on the back. Just take off the sticky or the paper, whatever you want to call it, and attach. And there you go. Now you know what all those spare backup drives are. Well, I am happy with it. Seems to work great. And as always, have a great day.